Hello, good morning, everybody. Last time I have taken up self-induction and self-induction coefficient of the circuit coil, in which self-induction was basically production of induced EMF, induced current in the same coil when the current battery current is varied. Varied means either increased or decreased. But today's topic is mutual induction. Mutual मतलब पारस्परिक, यानी कि if the two coils are placed coaxially with each other such that current is varied in one of the coil, then induced current is produced in neighboring coil. You can see in the diagram, first two coils are placed along its same axis. You can call it coaxial. In the first coil, we call it primary coil, where the battery is connected along with tapping key. In the neighborhood where induction is obtained, we call it secondary coil, which is connected only with galvanometer. Primary and secondary coils are physically in contact with each other, but no electrical contact between them, means both are insulated with each other. Therefore, when the tapping key is closed, the current in the battery starts growing from 0 to maximum. Therefore, its magnetic field also will increase from 0 to maximum. Magnetic field is associated with the secondary coil also. Therefore, the magnetic field of the secondary coil will also increase, increasing its flux, and increasing flux will produce induced current. Ultimately, the battery current in the primary coil becomes maximum, and then induced current in the secondary coil becomes 0. However, if we switch off the tapping key, open the tapping key, the current direction remains same, but its value decreases from maximum to 0. Then the decrease of current will decrease the flux associated with the primary coil and flux associated with the secondary coil. This decreasing flux will again produce induced current in the secondary coil and induced EMF that can be seen by deflection produced in galvanometer. In the first case, what happens when the current is increasing? When the current is increasing, the direction of induced current in the secondary coil will be such that it opposes the increase of magnetic field and hence increase of current in battery current or main current in primary circuit. Okay. In the second one, decreasing value of induced current decreasing value of battery current will decrease the magnetic field of primary and secondary coil and hence the magnetic flux of secondary coil, and this will again produce induced current, but it will oppose the decrease of battery current. Therefore, the direction of induced current will be opposite. Okay, this is what is a mutual induction. Let us define coefficient of mutual induction. Okay, suppose I1 is the current flows in primary coil. Let I1 be the current in primary coil, and due to this current, the magnetic flux linked with each turn of the secondary coil is due to I1 magnetic flux associated with each turn of secondary coil is phi 2, and let and 2b total turn in secondary coil. Then the number of magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil is N2 phi 2. This number is proportional to the current I1 flowing to the primary coil. Okay. Then total flux associated with secondary coil is directly proportional to current in primary coil. That is N2 phi 2 is proportional to I1 and 2 phi 2 equal to MI1, where M is proportionality constant and is called coefficient of mutual induction. Okay, we can define it like this: M equal to N2 phi 2 upon I1. If I1 equal to 1 ampere, then M equal to N2 phi 2, that is coefficient of mutual induction is equal to total flux associated with secondary coil when current in primary is 1 ampere. Okay, we can also define one, we can also have one more formula by differentiating this equation 1. If we differentiate equation 1 with respect to time, then it becomes N2 d phi by 2 upon dt equal to M di1 upon dt from Faraday's law. D phi by 2 upon dt equal to minus E induced. Hence, E induced equal to M di by dt. We take numerical value, no negative sign for the definition. Okay. Then M equal to E induced upon di by dt. If di by dt equal to 1 ampere per second, then E induced equal to M. Okay, and now we can define it like this. The coefficient of mutual inductance is numerically equal to induced EMF produced in secondary coil when rate of change of current in primary coil is 1 ampere per second. Okay, this is all. Thank you.